Welcome back. Today we explore functions that helps in cleaning and extracting data. We'll start with left function. This function helps us extract specific number of characters from a text bar from the beginning of a text. So you want to separate Miami from this city. So you first write your text and count how many, which is 5. We have our Miami, so you name it city. Now, another function to use is the right function, also the same as left, but this is from the end of a character of a text. Like, want to remove this USA now, we used right. Equal right, you select your text, then always put your comma sign, then USA is 3, put your 3 there, and you get your USA on a separate cell. The middle function is used to remove character anywhere in a text. Like from this sitting, I want to remove FL. So you use mid, then select your text, and from there count from the beginning how many characters before where you are looking for, which is 8, and you type it. How many characters do you want to remove? 2, the FL. Yeah, you got it here. This is helpful for removing part of an ID. Another function we'll look at is upper function to capitalize our work. Like for this city one, want to make it capital letter. So you select your text and just upper. In the same way you can do for lower function, it gives you everything in lowercase. So for now we'll go with our uppercase. Another valuable text function we can use is concatenate. This function is used to join text together. Here we want to merge city one with country, Miami plus USA. And while doing that, you have to give your workspace to make our work more neat. One other way to analyze and extract data is by separating data that are joined together. Like for example, this email name is joined with first name and last name. You go to data tab, underneath you see text to column, select delimiter and click on next. The delimiters shown here are tab, semicolon, comma, and we're using column, so you type your column which is under orders and click next. There you select which destination you want. So our destination now is going to be on column M. After selecting your column, you click on finish. So we've seen the final outcome. It separates the email from the name. So you can see now we have Beriniri. But here we still want to separate further the Beriniri. We'll go back to our data and still do the same thing. Go to text to column. From there you click on delimiter, click on next. You see your space. You use comma this time around and click next. Select and click finish. From there we can still join the first name and the last name together, and when we are done with that we can make it uppercase or lowercase, but for here we'll go for uppercase. So far we were able to cover some essential text function like concatenate, right function, left function, and uppercase, which are very vital for analysis and extracting information from a data set. So this brings us to the end of today's video. Thanks for staying. Please ask questions, like and comment. Bye.